Hi everyone, Jessica here from Paper Ink Stamp and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just coming on to do a quick video. So I've just had a parcel arrive and I had no idea what it was or where it was from, and it turns out to be a parcel from Chloe's Creative Cards. Now I haven't ordered anything from this company, so I really wasn't sure where it had come from or you know, why I was receiving it. And then I actually remembered that this was one of the prizes as part of the Card Maker of the Year competition. So it's obviously coming through a little bit later, whether that's due to stock or just new stock coming out, maybe, I'm not sure, but totally just took me by surprise. And I just wanted to show you the few bits. There is still one thing left to come, and that is one of their storage binders. So whenever that comes back into stock, by the looks of it, that'll be getting delivered. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you what we've got. So total packaging envy here. So I've been recently thinking about creating my own products, and obviously I'm thinking more about the actual product than any of the packaging, but I've got absolutely complete package envy with this parcel. I just absolutely love it, and maybe one day this is something I could do because I just think it's so pretty. So I'm going to show you that particular box in a second because there was two boxes. So this is the first one, and of course it does say Chloe's Creative Cards on here. So when I looked at this little label down here, 3mm foam pad rolls. So in my head, I'm thinking this is just a big roll of foam tape like I just bought. And I was thinking, well, I've just bought this, now I'm gonna have two of them. But then obviously it says foam pads. So if I just open this up, so this is absolutely huge. So this is roughly about 13 inch. And so in here we've got their 3mm by 25mm, and there's 25 meters on here. And this has got 1,000 foam pads per roll in here. So this is absolutely incredible. I don't know how much this retails for normally. If I just turn it, maybe you might be able to just see there, you can see it's on a roll, but they are kind of divided up. So that's going to be absolutely perfect to go with the foam roll that I've already picked up. The new foam circles I've picked up, this is going to just replenish my stock absolutely perfectly. So it couldn't have come at a better time. So that I'm just absolutely blown away by. But now this is the package that really gave me package envy. So maybe you guys have bought from Chloe's Creative Cards before. Like I said, I never have. This is the first parcel I've got. So I've just zoomed out really just so you can see this entire box, because I really want you to kind of feel what I felt when I first opened this. But it's that beautiful kind of fuchsia pink colour. I think that probably is like a Brandon colour. But so there wasn't anything on the box itself, but on the back we do have Chloe's Creative Cards with an address. So nothing else on here, but then it just opens up. And then what they've done is all of the items that you will have purchased are going to be inside the box. I think that is such a lovely idea. You could use this box, again, you could cover it if you wanted to, but I just think it's so beautiful. So just on the lid here, if I just bring this down, so it says thank you for your order. And then of course we've got Chloe's Creative Cards. So it looks like, I did have a look on YouTube earlier, and I was watching some of her videos that she's got on there, and her stuff is really lovely. It's not 100% the kind of cards that I create. It's very glitzy, very girly, but I still think they are so beautiful. But I just absolutely love this box, and I just love her packaging completely. So let me show you what came through. So I wasn't expecting there to be as much in here as what there is. So I'm going to start with these two boxes. So these here we have got, so this says Pearl. So these are, if I just get into it, so we've got this really great pack of embellishments here. So these are flat back pearls. So we've got kind of white and then an off-white, maybe an ivory, and then we've got a pink and sort of a deeper pink there. So we've got 3 different sizes, and again they are all flat back. So I absolutely love just this little package that it's come in. I'm definitely going to take a look on their website for more embellishments, shaker elements, things like that. I think it'll be great. But just this little box, it's going to keep it all safe, and I don't even know how many pieces are going to be in here, but it looks like it's going to last me a while. So these are the Bling Embellishments. So again, we've got kind of clear, we've got some iridescent, and we've got that pink and purple again. So very classic of their kind of colours. Again, they are flat back, so you'll be able to add them to your cards and projects. But yeah, there's going to be absolutely tons in there. And again, I really love the packaging that's come in. Then onto this one here. So this is called Oversized Stamping Blocks. So I wasn't really 100% sure what I was kind of looking at. Obviously the stamping blocks, I know what they are, but they just kind of, yeah, look different, and you've got 4 different blocks in here. So on the back, they're telling you which block to use, the block size, and really the recommended stamp for that. So we've got a small, which is for small sentiments and images. The medium is good for up to A6 size. The large up to A5 and DL size. And then we've got the square, which would be for large sentiments and images. But again, that packaging has got 2 little Velcro dots. I really love that as well. I just think it's such beautiful packaging. So I opened this up thinking, well, that's a very big block there. In my head, I was expecting it to still be an acrylic block, like the thick blocks that we get, but it's not. It's just a really thin piece of acrylic, but it's still going to work perfectly fine. You don't have to have, you know, lots of blocks that'll take up a lot more space. You could literally just get this pack, and this is going to do for all of your hand stamping needs. So if you're in the market to get some space saving acrylic blocks, I would look at something like this. So this is the large block we've got here, and they've got just a piece of card back there, and then underneath that you've got then the other sizes. So there we have the square, then we've got our medium, and then just down here we have got our small. So these are going to be absolutely perfect, and in fact I could actually just leave these on my desk in my where I keep all my tools, and it's not going to take hardly any space. And then even in the packaging it says Chloe's Creative Cards. I just think that is so great. So now let's take a look at some of the other things we've got in here. So the first thing we have got, this is a die and stamp set, and this is called a Sparkle Sentiment Builder. So we've got 2 products in here, so let me just open this up. So in here we've got a few of these words have got a nice sort of script font, and then you've got kind of more of a basic font to be able to build those up really nicely. And then for the dies we have got then some words with then those shadow dies. I really love shadow dies at the moment, and I think it's brilliant that this has come with it. I absolutely love that. Then here we have again another stamp and die set. So this is Dazzling of Foliage. So this is the same thing again, coordinating stamps and dies. But these are just going to be little flourishes that you can use. So in their cards they have a lot of flowers, obviously lots of flowers, lots of glam and glitz, and this is just going to be little add-ons that you can have. So we've got 4 little flourishes there, and then you do have your coordinating dies, and I love when you can get those together in a single pack rather than buying them kind of separately. Then next we have 4 of these cut and emboss folders. So these are all flowers, and there's 3 flowers included in each embossing folder. So we've got Posy Flower, we've got Summer Flower, we've got Mystical Flower, and we have Meadow Flower. So we've got 4 different styles of flowers here. So if I just open this up, so I haven't opened these yet. So this is a 5x7 embossing folder, but this is going to emboss the flower details that you can see here, and it's also going to cut those out all in one go, because the die is actually embedded into that embossing folder. So it means you're going to be able to produce these flowers so much quicker. You don't have to run it through to emboss it and then have to cut it out. Nothing like that. It's going to do it all in one pass. And you've got sizes on here as well. So our largest is 3 inch. We've got a medium at 2.25 inch, and then we have the smallest is 1.75 inch. So you know, you've got your sizes on there as well, and that 3 inch, that's a really great size. So all 4 of these are going to be the same principle. They might be slightly different sizes, but you've just got that outline which is going to be cut out, and then you have all of that petal detail. So you can see sort of the card samples they've got here. Again, very kind of floral. They're very glitzy. They've got the glitter and the embellishments on there, and they are really beautiful. And then the last few products we have in here, these then go with the storage binders. So here we have 3 sheets of the stamp storage sheets. So this is 8 by 8 in size, and these can be used, like I said, with the storage wallets and binder. So we've got 3 there for stamps. We then have 3 magnetic sheets for your dies. And then we have the actual storage binder wallet. So it's the actual binder that hasn't turned up yet, but these will be able to then slip into here, and you've got 3 of those as well. And then I just love the fact that at the bottom here they have got them just a really lovely bed. So if you wanted to reuse this box again, you know, you could cover the logo and things here, and you could use that as like a little gift box or a gift hamper. I think it's just really such a beautiful way of sending out products. So that was just a quick look at the parcel that I've received from Chloe's Creative Cards for the Card Maker of the Year prize from them. So I'm sure you'll see some of these bits and pieces crop up in my future videos. So that's going to be it for this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so you don't miss out on any future videos. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and happy crafting.